This is a really useful little trick that I've never heard anybody talk about on reselling YouTube, and I use it all the time. It helps you source much more quickly. It's text shortcuts or autocomplete. Let's say I was out at a thrift store and I found a Hurley brand long sleeve t-shirt. I would type in Hurley, and then if I go long sleeve t-shirt, that takes a long time to type. Instead, if I go Hurley LST, boom, long sleeve t-shirt. If you didn't catch that, when I type LST right here in the middle, in the suggested completions or whatever it's called, the first result is long sleeve t-shirt. That's because I've gone into the phone in the settings and set that as a shortcut. I'm on an Android phone right now. This works on iPhone as well. You can find it in the text replacement menu under keyboard settings, according to the Apple website. It's less easy to find on Android. You go to general management, language and input, on-screen keyboard, Samsung keyboard, smart typing, and then all the way at the bottom, text shortcuts. Winding path to get there. Let me add one here. Let's say I want to do long sleeve button shirt LSB. And now if I go to eBay, LSB, boom, long sleeve button shirt. Whatever category it is that you sell in, you will have these recurring phrases, key phrases that you'll have to type in again and again and again. And that adds up over the course of a day, over the course of a week, over a year, over a decade of doing reselling. Just texting in general. You can use this for other stuff in life as well. And this translates over to desktop too. You can program these long phrases into the text replacement menu, or at least I can on my old MacBook. I have whole, paragraphs that I just do a few keystrokes and it pops it up in the description, and I don't have to keep retyping it over and over again. Show you a couple more examples. Let's say I found a John Varvatos polo shirt. Varvatos POL polo shirt, boom. Let's say it was a long sleeve polo shirt. LSP, boom, long sleeve polo shirt. How about a Gap t-shirt, TS in a medium. So TSMM, Gap t-shirt men's medium, hit search, and then boom, there it is. I have every size, so men's S, M, L, XL, I think 2XL as well. I have a bunch of these recurring stock phrases. I even sometimes, this is a couple phones back, I would program in longer brands. So I had one for Polo Ralph Lauren. I had one for Hugo Boss. I had one for a lot of the kind of marginal brands that I kept finding again and again that I would have to do narrower searches on. Just a little tweak that will really seriously streamline and improve your sourcing process and help you save time and save thumb meat. Thanks for watching.